Now this is why Orange County is the shit, because we got Disneyland fireworks. That's what's up. Back alley. No, I'm kidding. All about Orange County. We got Disneyland and Knott's Berry Farm. Hurry up.
They're gonna come. Hi.
You can't even see. You're all black.
Good.
Oh, shit. She's black. She fucking backlight so much. She turned black. We're just kidding. Look how pretty those fireworks are.
I'm like a tourist standing out.
I'm not a tourist. I've lived in Orange County most of my life. Except for 2 years. Oh, yes. Come on. Ah.
Yeah, it's loud. It
This
sounds
shit's
like
fucking loud.
It sounds like gunshots. You can record for up to 10 minutes, I believe.
I don't even care. I don't even know. Oh, look at it. There's purple over there. Or it looks
Yeah.
blue on the thing.
It's the purple light.
That's him. Come on, fireworks. I'm recording the sky now.
I think they're done. What time is it?
I don't even know.
Stop it.